Hello guys, welcome to Fincom Tribe classes. Today in this video we will talk about agreement versus contract. So here are the few points on the basis of which we will distinguish between agreement and contract. Let's discuss them one by one. So our first point is on the basis of nature. Agreement is defined under section 2E and contract is defined under section 2H. So basically the nature of agreement is defined under the section of Contract Act 2E and contract in section 2H. So if we talk about on the basis of meaning, we define agreement as every promise or set of promises forming consideration for each other, that is called to be as agreement. And if we define about contract, it is an agreement enforceable by a court of law. So we said that it is a contract. So this is the basic difference between the meaning of agreement and in the meaning of contract. So now our next differences comes about the formation. That means how the agreement and contracts are formed. Agreements, offer and acceptance constitute an agreement, whereas agreement and its enforceability at law constitute a contract. Whereas if we talk about on the basis of scope, the scope of agreement is much wider than the scope of contract, because it is very limited in case of contract, and in case of agreement the scope is very much wider. If we talk about the effect, on the basis of effect, in case of agreement it do not create any legal obligations, whereas all contract creates legal obligations. So on the basis of the nature, an agreement can be both legal and illegal, whereas only valid agreement are called contract, because contract includes agreement and that agreement should be valid. After the nature, here comes the next point on the basis of relationship. So if we talk about the relation, an agreement is the first and primary stage of forming a contract, whereas a contract cannot be formed without the formation of an agreement, because it is the primary stage. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please follow for more updates.